I want to discuss mechanisms in the Indonesian capital market in the capital market theory course. For those of you who don't know what mechanisms in the Indonesian capital market are, let's discuss it together. Okay, the capital market in Indonesia serves as a meeting place for parties with excess funds, investors, and companies or government agencies in need of capital. Touch the capital market, companies can obtain additional funds to develop their business, while investors can profit from their investment. Parties involved in the capital market. Issuer an issuer is a company that sells shares or bonds to the public to raise funds. Stock issuer over share through initial public offerings or additional offerings. Bond issuer sell debt securities to raise funds from investors. Stock exchange. The Indonesia Stock Exchange serves as a venue for trading securities such as stock and bonds. The IDX provides systems and facilities to enable efficient matching of bids and offers. The IDX was formed from the merger of the Jakarta Stock Exchange and the Surabaya Stock Exchange on November 30, 2007. Self-regulatory organizations are institutions that have the authority to make their own rules related to capital market activities. The three main SROs in Indonesia include Indonesia Stock Exchange as the organizer of securities trading, Indonesian Clearing House guarantees and regulates the settlement process to ensure it is safe and efficient. Indonesia Central Securities Depository centrally stores securities and regulates the settlement process. Securities companies have several important roles including underwriter, which is a party that helps companies sell shares or bonds to the public, broker or dealer, securities broker, which is a brokerage company that connects investors in securities trading transactions. Investment manager, which is a party that manages investor funds in the form of a securities portfolio. Capital market supporting institution. Several other institutions also support the smooth running of the capital market, such as Securities Administration Agency, record share ownership and distributes investor rights such as dividend. Custodian store and manage securities belonging to investor. Trusts represent the interests of bondholders. Investment advisor provides advice and analysis to investors. Securities rating agency assesses the level of risk and a company's ability to pay its obligation. Investor. An investor is an individual or institution that invests capital in securities. Based on type, investors are divided into individual investor and institutional investor. Based on origin, they consist of domestic, local investor and foreign investor. Trading mechanisms in the capital market. Primary market. The primary market is where stock or bonds are first sold to the public before being listed on the Indonesia Stock Exchange. This process is called an initial public offering. Secondary market. The secondary market is where stocks are traded after being listed on the Indonesia Stock Exchange. Transactions are conducted through securities companies, brokers, that act as intermediaries between buyers and sellers. Trading in this market is conducted electronically through the Jakarta Automated Trading System for stock and the Fixed Income Trading System and over-the-counter fixed income service for bonds. Investor and broker relationship. Broker assists investor in conducting transactions on the stock exchange based on the service provided. Brokers are divided into three types. 1. Full service broker provide consulting service, investment strategies, and portfolio management. Number 2. Discount broker over transaction service at lower cost. 3. The discount broker only handle transaction without providing additional service. Types of transaction in the capital market. The first, margin trading. Investors buy shares using some of their own management and borrow the rest from a broker. Second, short selling. Investors sell shares they do not yet own the hope that the share price will fall so that they can buy them back at a lower price to make a profit. Stock market index. The stock index shows the overall movement and performance of the capital market. Some of the major indices in Indonesia include 1. Composite Stock Price Index. Second, Liquiditas 45. 3. Jakarta Islamic Index. 4. Compass 100 Index. 5. Sectoral Index. 6. Main Board and Development Board Index. Conclusion, the capital market mechanism in Indonesia has been systematically regulated and supervised by various official institutions to ensure that it operates in an orderly, transparent, and secure manner. With the support of electronic trading technology and supervision from the Financial Services Authority and other supporting institutions, the Indonesian capital market has now become a modern, efficient, and trusted investment vehicle for the public. Okay, thank you for watching this video. See you in the next video.